For our thesis statement, facts that do not use faith as basis but through rational reasoning. So for point 1, philosophy of religion allows man to realize that we are beyond comprehension in terms of expounding miracles. Point number 2, the natural theology serves as an independent ground to justify belief in God. And point number 3, the concepts and themes that could relate between God and human beings. Go.
For example number 1, miracles are form of occurrence so extraordinary that our mind cannot fully comprehend as this happens without logical reasoning. And for example number 2, aim to demonstrate that God exists, assuming He exists, that He possesses certain acts like being the cause of everything in the universe of being unchanging. And example number 3 is that there are other instruments in the Bible serves as an instructional guide for the people of all approved teachings of the Catholic Church. So for insight number 1 is that we tend to overlook the world around us and us to exist and has the propensity to separate ourselves from nature and justify it with reasoning. For insights number 2, questioning pertaining religion cannot be answered because it cannot be asked without entering into confusion. And insight number 3 is that we take control over our lives in order to put something in motion.
For the conclusion, facts that were derived by reason rather than faith and a tendency to ignore the environment around us and questions about religion are impossible to answer since they lead to a misunderstanding.
And for the application, it is an important reminder that we are part of nature and when it comes to confusion in trying to understand the world. As we move ourselves in motion, we in turn also put the nature around us in motion.